It's really several billion dollars dedicated to neuroscience. That's going to be inclusive of putting money towards things like Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and also stem cell research.
And we're now talking about giving these concepts and ideas and philosophies in the platform a physical embodiment, which is the Brain Technology and Innovation Park.
That kind of multidisciplinary neuroscientific brain power consortium.
You know, if you can just imagine tens of thousands of people and what something like this can do for tens of thousands of people. On the other side of the brain park concept is a concept of reimagining how we can deliver education in a quality way, but in a flexible way.
In terms of having leadership and community at the table, making sure that they can assess what their needs are, focus on a project, and then look at the different resources that are out there to do this.
To give you an example, like Operation Warp Speed, that was a great example of how government agencies, nonprofits, universities, industry leaders can come together with public and fast-track therapeutics. Why can't we do that for neurological disorders?
It is the brain park, so what it actually is a confluence of different interests, whether it's your traditional neuroscience, stem cell research, genomics, anything aimed at diseases of the mind and mental illness. And LA is a huge academic powerhouse, huge research powerhouse, and it has no biotech center. It really has no biotech to speak of. So what this does is it gives it really an identity in the research space, and it makes use of what should have made use of, decades ago. I think it's going to be a real powerhouse. It's going to be great for patients and their families, great for the field overall.
It's clearly focused on that integrated opportunities to bring vast amounts of technology.
With local workforce pipeline development where the brains of tomorrow could collaborate and it could be not just an economic generator, but a workforce development opportunity.
Los Angeles is the largest county in the United States with no biotechnology park. So there are reports showing that if we start a biotech park in LA, we can have close to 195,000 new jobs. Therefore, this is not only a scientific endeavor, but also is good for local economic development.